Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Papi's Does Budget Van Life, man. Today we're at the compound where I'm gonna be showing you, my general philosophy and how I do this van camping thing. I do it budget. I don't do anything crazy. I don't do, like with the RV and the luxury thing. There's two kinds of van life, okay? There is the luxury way where you have an RV or you have one of those silver things. What do you call them? Those air things. I forget. Airstreams, okay? Or you do it the budget way, okay? Like I'm gonna do it, which is the cheap way, but it's just as good, in my opinion, especially if you don't have a lot of money. Like I don't have a lot of money, but I have some money, but I don't have a lot of money. So this is how I do it, okay? So welcome. We're gonna do this. We're gonna show you how we do this.
My nigga.
Another thing that's important to this channel is gonna be stealth, because I don't like people knowing that I'm in the van. You know what I mean? When I'm sleeping in the van, I don't want nobody knowing that I'm in there. You know what I'm saying? I like to keep things on the down low. So do me a favor, smash the like button hard, because when you do that, YouTube basically tells other people, they show the video to other people who are interested in the same thing that you're interested in, like this van stuff. So let's help the world, man. Let's help the world get prepared, man. They're gonna lock this thing down again. I don't know, man. They're talking about crazy stuff on the news. They might lock stuff up all over again, man. And we gotta be ready, man. You gotta be ready on a moment's notice to hit the road. I don't know what's coming down, man, but the more I watch the news, the more I think people lose their minds, okay? So do me a favor, smash that like button, we spread the word, okay? And we're gonna get started right now, and I'm gonna show you my philosophy on this van thing, okay? Because I don't do this van thing year round, okay? I do it in bursts, okay? Like when I want to do it. So like for instance, I went to Austin, Texas. I went to Miami Beach. I went to Memphis. I went to Nashville, Tennessee, okay? I went to DC. I went to all these places in the van, nice, economical, had a place to sleep, had things to do. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I want to show you how you can have some of this beauty too. I don't live in the van all the time, okay? I know some people want to know how they can live in the van or forever. If that's what you're trying to do, you're probably on the wrong place, okay? I'm going to show you how to just do trips. You can do them indefinitely if you had to. And that's what I'm going to show you. I'm not one of these guys that's gonna build up the van and put a bathroom in the van and put a shower in the van and put a coffee table in the van and all kinds of stuff. No, I'm not gonna do that, okay? Because that's not how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna explain you. Don't worry. Don't get excited. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, okay? Let me show you the van first of all. Come on. Okay, this is my 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan, okay? It's an older van, man. You could get even a newer one for only maybe under $5,000. You know what I'm saying? So that's where the budget starts, okay? I've had this van for like, I don't know, 12 years, and it's been good. I have over 200,000 miles on this van, but it served me good. And I tell you why I like this particular van, okay? Notice, it's not a big, gigantic Sprinter van. It's a little minivan, okay? So no one's gonna think anything about it. You can park this thing anywhere. No one's gonna think that somebody's sleeping in there, sleeping inside. And that's what I like about it. Stealth. Say it after me. Stealth, okay? You just can hide and nobody knows you're in there and you're just enjoying yourself and no one's gonna bother you. And that's really key. You don't want anybody bothering you when you're on the road, okay? At least I don't. So why do I like this van? Because it's a little small, but here's the thing. Look at this. Notice this? Tinted windows. Tinted windows. You know what that's good for? Tinted windows. Stealth. Nobody knows you're in there. Now, if you look really close, you can see through there, right? But the thing is, I put curtains on the inside, and I'm going to show you that in a second, because you want privacy. I put curtains in the front and curtains all around, so you have privacy. Now, that's why I like it better than these big, giant vans. Because you see a big, giant van in the parking lot, you start thinking there's somebody in there. An RV. It's very obvious that they're living in there, okay? I don't want that, man. I'm going stealth, man. Stealth.
We slipped into the farmer's room, all quiet
Like a fish.
Yeah, and we... Like a fish?
Quiet like a fish. First of all, I don't go where it's cold. Okay? Do I look like I like the cold? I don't like the cold. I like to go in light shirts. I like to dress in t-shirts. I don't like to put heavy clothes on. I don't like to have 75 blankets. I don't like to have 40 hats. I like to be nice and warm, man. So I only travel where the weather's nice, man. That's where I go, man. I'm gonna go in the freezing cold. I don't want to be, this van doesn't have the insulation. Like I said, this is not a year-round, go anywhere kind of van that I'm doing, okay? So I go where it's nice and warm. I go to Florida. I go to the South. Or, or if I'm in the North, it's summertime, okay? So that's how I do, okay? It's very important. Now, the other thing I don't do is I don't go in the middle of nowhere. I like civilization, man. I like to see other people. I don't go in the middle of a desert, okay, where it's 100 miles to the nearest bathroom and 100 miles to the nearest gas station. No, I don't do that because I things can go wrong, and if things go wrong, I want to be in civilization, okay? So I generally travel, from town to town, from town to town, city to city. I don't go in the middle of nowhere, and I don't go where it's cold or too hot either. I don't go in the middle of the 130-degree desert. I don't do crazy things like this. The other thing I want to tell you is that, I don't spend a lot of time in the van, okay? Because I don't travel to stay in the van, okay? I travel to see the places. So when I go to a place, okay, I park the van and then I'm seeing things. I only basically am in the van for two reasons, okay? To sleep and to drive. That's really it. And when I get to a place, I don't really like to drive a lot. So I'm doing other things. I park the car and I go and see things, okay? Oh, speaking of transportation, let me show you what I do. So let me show you what I got over here. I take this thing everywhere. This is my scooter, man. See my scooter? Yeah, this is a GoTrax scooter, man, as you can see. And it's electric and it goes all over. I have a little baggie to put my stuff in. I have a little place to put my phone. Look. A little place to put the telephone. I got a little Bluetooth radio velcroed over there. A chain to tie it up. It's beautiful, okay? So when I go to the towns, I get on my scooter, I folds up, I pull it out of the back, and when I park, I do sightseeing around the little town. So this is what I'm saying. When I get to the place that I'm going, I don't spend a lot of time in the car. I park the car, I get a scooter, and I go, man. I go to the beach. Last time I was in Tampa, I went to the beach, brought my little beach chair, backpack, a little day bag, and I went out there, man, and I enjoyed myself. So that's what you gotta do, man. You gotta appreciate the places that you're gonna go to, man. Don't spend all your time in the van. So this is the back of the van, okay? As you can see, it's small, but it's not ridiculously small, okay? Now it's totally empty. I don't have it set up to go on a journey right now, but I'm gonna show you this in later videos. I put my twin bed right there with a frame that opens up, and I have it like that, and then I have all my storage underneath the bed. So you got about 8 feet from the back seats to here, about 4 feet wide, and about 40 inches tall, okay? So it's good. Oh yeah, another thing reason I like these vans is because it has this storage, underneath the floorboards. Look at this, look at all this storage I got in here. I got my toolbox, all my tools in here, and here's what I got, my curtains. I keep my curtains in a little box, right? So here's my curtains, I have them all folded up like this, okay? And they go around each window in the thing with Velcro. And you see I have the Velcro already put in there, inside the car. I have Velcro pieces, the other side of the Velcro that I can stick the things on, okay? So now I'm going to show you how it looks when it's all covered up, okay? So now you can see that I have the curtains up. So you see in here, I have the curtains on the windows, those two windows, and then on the other side, you see those two windows are all covered up, right? See in the back here, right behind the front seats, I have it. Basically, it's a curtain that I bought from online. That's like a trucker's curtain. It's made out of canvas, But you know, I have it with the Velcro hanging from the ceiling and on the hooks. You see the hooks? So I have the hooks, and then I have a little piece of Velcro. You see, I damaged a little bit of the ceiling when I was trying to put it on the ceiling because it's too heavy for the ceiling. So I started pulling down the fabric, so it's no good. So I put it on the hooks and on the controller in the middle and on this hook over here, and it works pretty good. But as you see, this is all covered. Everything's covered up, even the windows on the doors and the windows on the back door too. You see, close this, and now you see you cannot see through, but you wouldn't even know that there was curtains in there because it's the tint there. The tint, you know, the tint. So you don't know that there's actually curtains on the inside, but you can't see. You can't see inside. You just think it's tinted. You see, and at night this works especially good. Total privacy, man. You can do whatever you want to do in there, man, but don't get crazy, okay? Don't get crazy. But you know, I just want to go over two general things in this style of camping that I'm doing, this budget camping, okay? First of all, you notice there's no kitchen in there, okay? There's no bathroom in there, okay? Why? First of all, with the bathroom, how do you go to the bathroom? You go to the restaurant, you go to the gas station, you go to Planet Fitness. I don't do food in the van, okay? I don't eat there, okay? I eat out, okay? That's my strategy. I like to eat out. I don't like to, you know, do a whole cooking thing, okay? Now, even with that being said, there's been times where I've taken the camper stove, I had plastic cups and knives and forks and the napkins and the whole thing. You know what? I never used it, okay? Because I was too busy going out and enjoying the local food. And I go and eat the restaurant. So you know what? I don't generally travel unless I have enough money to eat out. So what do you think about this stealth van lifestyle, man? Huh? You like it? Do me a favor. Leave a comment below, man. Tell me what you're doing. Tell me if you do this budget kind of thing. If you do stealth, man. Or even if you do something else, man, like Airstream, or you do like $40,000 build out of a Sprinter van, man. Hey, leave a comment, man. And do me a favor. Hit the like button, man. So other people who are interested in the van life, they're going to get this video. They're going to be helped. You're going to be helped. They're going to be helped. We're all going to be helped. It's going to be a beautiful thing. And also, consider subscribing. Subscribe. So that when you subscribe, you get notified next time I put a video, because I'm going to be putting more videos about all these things about stealth van, budget van life, okay? We're going to talk about sleeping. We're going to talk about going to the bathroom. We're going to be talking about electricity. We're going to be talking about all the systems you need to have, man, and the different experiences and different tricks of the trade, okay? So, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care.